Hey, give me your opinion on what you're witnessing. Could you have done this any other way?
No, it's impossible. It's phenomenal.
Could you have done this any other method?
No, absolutely not.
I just wanted to show you production going on here to give you an idea. So this is like almost impossible to do any other way other than with the tube laser. So these are bottom and top braces. Those are side braces. And essentially it's a stand for a sign. So just the kind of production they have going on here. Give you an idea. So there was 2 of these. Now we're down to 1. That's the feeding line here. And of course you can do something 240 millimeters deep. Going in all the scrap over here from all the interior cuts.
So I'll take you through this job again. This is the piece that is taken off while the laser is processing, and what he's knocking out are those large tabs. We had to cut this with a 5/8 slot. This is 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch square tube. That's a 1/4 inch thick. Notice the tab on the far right side on the corner, and here we're slotting it. The little piece left over is so-called a bridge, or also a tab. That is designed to prevent this from bending or yawing while you're cutting it. He will just take that out later on with a grinder. But imagine, how else are you going to do a job like this where you have to cut out a 5/8 slot? It's not possible unless you get a CNC in the setup and complexity, and for what it is, it needs to be done cheap and quick. So here he's just scrapping, keeping the scraps, putting them in the recycling. But imagine here, he had to cut exactly 7,200 linear feet, right? Because he had to cut the slot one direction, make the box, and come back. And he did that job by himself, one man. This is where it's dramatic, right? You're going to cut a job and you probably never ever have to slot something like this. You're going to cut a couple holes, you're going to process a square, you're going to do a corner, and you're going to do a tab and a slot for things to fit together. For the weldment becomes easier, the assembly becomes easier. Here's the loading. Of course, you can get auto loading, but he learned how to do this in one morning because we were moving the shop and there was very limited time left. So I said, if you want to do this job, this is somebody I know for a long time who's also an entrepreneur, so I trusted him. If I taught him, he could manage the equipment really safely and he wouldn't be thoughtless about it. But he just learned that in one morning from 8:30 to 11:30, and then he processed the entire 100 signs, which is 7,200 of linear feet cutting. And here you go again. So we're cutting off a little piece, so we start clean. In case something bends or hangs, you want to have a clean, perfect piece for the welder to put it together. This is probably just one of the legs that's coming off of it. But the point is, no way on earth can one person run this kind of productivity. There's just no way. This is not possible typically because you just couldn't slot the whole thing, but nobody could process so many thousands of linear feet of tubing in 3 singular shifts. And that's where you put yourself in the 5% of custom metal fab or fabricators or job shops, is when you offer the tube service. If you have to do big things, you can do 4 brackets out of a larger square tube. This chuck can go up to 9 1/4 inches, 240 millimeters. You can get 120 millimeters, so it's like a 4.5 inch. Here's the sign where you can actually see the slots on the right-hand side. The left side of the sign need to be slotted on both sides because he slides the board in. So if you want to change your business entirely, give us a shout. We're there to train you into production.